Very good morning, dear 8th class children. I am L. Presnaidu, working as an English teacher at JP High School, Uttaravalli in Marakamadam Mandal. I am very happy to explain the second part of the reading part, The Tattered Blanket from the first unit, Family. The first part is explained wonderfully by our English master and one of well-known English teachers, Mr. of our district, Mr. Anara. My dear children, as you know, in the tattered blanket, the following characters are there. There are Gopi, which is the main character. Gopi's mother, who is an old woman. Gopi's sister, Kamala, who is widow, and Gopi's wife, Vimala, and Gopi's children. My dear children, family is so important to have a good society. So, there must be a happy family, there must be very good relations among family members so that we can have a very good society, enter a very good country or nation. My dear children, as you have already learnt from the first explanation, wonderful explanation by our respected English sir, Anara sir, that Gopi is in Delhi doing as an officer. He has come to his home to see his mother after a long time. He is coming as surprised his mother and his sister Kamala. See, Gopi's mother is too old to recognize his son. And Kamala has gone to gate to see who has come in car. And Gopi has come. His mother is not able to recognize him. And Gopi's mother has asked who has come in car. Gopi says, I am Amma, I am Gopi. Gopi has said so, but Gopi's mother is not able to recognize it. Gopi's sister Kamala says, Amma is always asking about your letters, but you do not write letters. But I say to Amma that Gopi writes letters every day not to disappoint her. Gopi says in reply that he is too busy these days because of his promotion. He can't find time to write letters. So, this is the context of second part, my dear children. I read the second part for you. Please listen to me. If you have textbook, please look at the text while listening to me. I got a promotion last year After that, I am always on my toes, and there are twos quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Why don't you ask Vimala to write, or does not she get any time to? What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? I told you it is Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Yes, Amma, it is me. I have come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what is his wife's name? Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember Vimala, district collector's Nambiar's eldest daughter? Gopi's sister said. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was. He writes letters every day. I am terribly upset if I don't get letters from him every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what is going on here, do you? Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. I had come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it is quite near. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Dear children, this is the part we are learning today. I am sorry there is no chance for interaction due to online. You have to listen to my reading again so that you can understand better. Now you see the meanings of the difficult words. Promotion, increased duty or responsibility. Mumbling, not clear. The voice is not clear. The voice is so low. Terribly, very much. We may say too much. Exasperatedly, upset, disappointing. Very bad situation. These are the difficult words. And after knowing the meanings of these difficult words, you please listen to the reading once again so that you can understand very well. My dear children, you have been explained by our Anna Rao sir in the first part that Gopi has come to his home after a long time as a part of his tour to Thiruvananthapuram. You see the name of the lesson, the tattered blanket. The tattered means which is not useful for uses any longer. It is a symbol of negligence, not caring. Gopi has bought the blanket when he was in studies. After that, has become an employee, has moved to Delhi. He is not taking care of his family, his old mother and sister. That is shown in the title, The Tattered Blanket. My dear children, relations are so important among family members so that the family can be happy and which can contribute to a good society. my dear children. So, Gopi's sisters, Kamala has asked him, why don't you write letters? Amma always asks about your letters, but I don't like to disappoint Amma that you have not written letters. But I say to her that he writes letters every day. Gopi says, I am too busy to write letters after being promoted. After I have been promoted, I have got promotion. Then Kamala says, why don't you ask your wife Vimla to write letters? Then Gopi has nothing to reply. Then Amma asks, who is he? He is Gopi. Amma, I am Gopi. But where is Gopi? Is not Gopi in Delhi? Amma asks like that. Amma's memory is very poor. That is a difficult thing for me to recover her memory, Kamala says. The whole thing shows that though Gopi is a very good officer, he is not taking care of his family members, his mother and widowed sister. So, my dear children, in this lesson, you not only learn our language, English, but also family values, taking care of family members. In this lesson, we come to know that Gopi is not taking care of his family, though he is a very good employee. So, we must understand the family values and taking care of among the family members. So, this is about the second part, my dear children. On our second part, there are a few questions to be answered by yourselves. You may be asked after your school will be reopened by your concerned teachers. As a matter of understanding, try to answer the questions. Where is Gopi having meeting? How has Gopi come home? Third question, how is Gopi's mother? Fourth question, what is the name of Gopi's sister? Fifth question, is Gopi a good son? Again, I am reading the questions. Where is Gopi having meeting? First one. Second one is, how has Gopi come home? Third one, how is Gopi's mother? Fourth one, what is the name of Gopi's sister? Fourth one, is Gopi a good son? These are the 5 questions. You please answer yourselves and keep answers with you. And the third part will be explained by our respected one of resource teachers of our district, Mr. Chandrasekhar. He may begin his explanation with the answers of the following questions as a review for your answers and recapitulation. My dear children, I want to say one thing in the context of online classes. Here you need to make harder effort, more trial, because there is no applause and there is no chance for interaction. So you have to listen to the recorded videos again and again so that you can understand well. Our district authority is making a very good effort to record lessons to make you learn online, not to lose the sense of learning, even though there is no chance for you to come to school. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best in learning online. Bye.